Here's how to fix Google Play services if it keeps stopping. Now, if you're having issues with Google or Google Play services, I'm going to show you how to get it fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is swipe up from here and we'll get into your settings. So tap on settings here. And from your settings, all you need to do is scroll down, and you're going to scroll down until you see the option, keep scrolling, for general management, and tap on that. Now on here you can see midway down is date and time. Let's tap on that. Now you need to make sure automatic date and time is turned on. If it's turned off and it's set to a different date and time, this can mess up the Google Play services. So make sure that is turned on. The next thing we'll do is get into your apps. So let's go back here, back again, and then we'll tap on apps. From here, all we need to do is find Google Play services. So let's scroll down until we find that option. And there it is. Tap on it. Now from here, we're going to do a few different things. We're going to scroll down and we're going to tap on storage. We're first going to clear the cache of this. And then we're going to hit clear data. And on here, you can see manage search data, manage wearable storage, and I'm going to hit clear all data and delete all of the data associated with that. Now, let's go back out of here and we'll do a couple different things. One is we will tap on the three dots at the top right and choose uninstall updates and OK. And next, we will force stop Google Play services and hit OK. So essentially what we've done is we've cleared out all of the data, we've uninstalled the updates, in addition to that we've forced stopped it. Now the last thing we'll do in here is tap on app details in store at the very bottom. Now from here you should see the option to update. So just update it because we've forced uninstall the updates and now we're going to reinstall those updates. A lot of times this fixes bugs and glitches within the Google Play services. After this is done reinstalling it, all you need to do is swipe down from the top right and find the little power button, tap on it, and hit the restart. Basically restart your phone and everything should be up and running and fixed. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.